Nilaya na tayo ng ating Jesucristo. But, hindi tayo ligtas sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. Hindi siya nangako na hindi tayo dadanas sa mga pagsubok, ng mga karamdaman, ng mga pighati. Kaya, let's trade to the Lord all our sorrows, all our sickness, all our shame, and let Him use it for His glory. For God is the joy of the Lord is our strength. Amen?
Amen.
Amen. Let's continue trading my sorrow. Yes, the Lord. Let Him give it all to Jesus. Trading my sorrow.
I'm trading my soul. I'm trading my shame. I'm letting down the joy of the Lord. I'm trading my sickness. I'm trading my fear. I'm letting down the joy of the Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Amen.
One more time, yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lord, yes, Lord, yes, yes, Lord. Amen.